Introducing Prokan 78 inches Pro Elite 5-burner Texas Cream Island Grill, where luxury meets performance and your backyard becomes the envy of the neighborhood. Crafted with durable metal control knobs, this grill is built to last through every cookout, season after season. The seamless, full-cast aluminum firebox is rust-proof, made to withstand the elements and last for years to come. Heavy-duty cast-iron cooking grids, paired with a griddle plate, deliver premium cooking performance, even heat distribution, and that perfect steakhouse sear every time. Equipped with 304 stainless steel burners and flame tamers, engineered to resist corrosion from salty foods, built for longevity, no matter what you cook. Important safety reminder: never leave the grill unattended while in use. Keep the lid open when cooking fatty meats, and remove food immediately if flare-ups occur. With 40,000 BTUs of power from the main burners, and a 12,000 BTU ceramic rear burner, you get intense, even heat, perfect for roasting juicy meats. The included 304 stainless steel rotisserie kit takes your roasting game to the next level. A spacious, weather-resistant sintered stone countertop offers plenty of room for prep, and cleans up effortlessly. Keep your tools and accessories organized with built-in storage drawers designed for convenience. The 63L outdoor fridge keeps your beverages ice-cold, because an ice-cold drink is the ultimate refreshment on a summer day. Cleaning is easy with the front access pull-out tray. No hassle. Grill well into the evening with integrated lights that illuminate your cooking space after dark. Casters provide easy mobility, and the included cover keeps your outdoor kitchen clean and protected. Prokan, your backyard, their jealousy.